Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a full screen preview in DaVinci Resolve 20 using two methods. Suppose you need a full screen preview of your project for inspection before exporting. First, you can get a full screen preview by clicking on this full screen option. Now you can inspect your project thoroughly. The second method is using the keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl F to get a full screen preview, and if you are on a Mac, just hit Command F. That will take your project to full screen. You can start playing your clip on the timeline. When you want to exit full screen, it's just as easy. You can hit Escape, press Ctrl F or Command F again, or click this icon. And of course, while in full screen, you can play your timeline and even adjust the sound if you need to. And that's it, a super quick way to view your project in full screen in DaVinci Resolve. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.